In the ever-evolving landscape of digital media, YouTube stands as a colossal platform where creators from all walks of life share content that informs, entertains, and inspires. Among these creators, some channels achieve monumental success, generating substantial monthly revenues and amassing millions of subscribers. The allure of such success often leads aspiring creators to wonder, what if we could replicate that achievement? What if there were a way to clone the success of a high-earning YouTube channel? Enter DeepSeek AI, a groundbreaking tool that promises to do just that. In this journey, we delve into the ambitious endeavor of cloning a 307,000 per month YouTube channel using DeepSeek AI, exploring the process, challenges, outcomes, and the profound implications of such a venture. Chapter 1: The Genesis of an Idea. The digital realm is replete with stories of creators who have struck gold on platforms like YouTube. Channels focusing on diverse niches from technology reviews to lifestyle vlogs have transformed ordinary individuals into internet celebrities and entrepreneurs. The staggering revenues reported by top-performing channels are not merely a testament to their content but also to the strategic acumen behind their operations. For many, replicating such success seems like a distant dream. However, with advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly with tools like DeepSeek AI, the possibility of cloning a successful YouTube channel becomes an intriguing prospect. Chapter 2: Understanding DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to analyze, learn, and replicate patterns from vast datasets. In the context of YouTube, DeepSeek AI can dissect a channel's content strategy, upload frequency, audience engagement metrics, and more to create a blueprint for success. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, DeepSeek AI identifies the nuances that contribute to a channel's popularity, enabling users to emulate these elements in their own content creation endeavors. Chapter 3: Selecting the Target Channel. The first step in our cloning experiment was identifying a channel that not only achieved significant financial success but also operated within a niche that could be feasibly replicated. After extensive research, we pinpointed a channel generating approximately $307,000 per month. This channel specialized in 3D animated animal stories, a niche that had recently exploded in popularity due to its unique blend of entertainment and educational content. Chapter 4: Analyzing the Blueprint. With the target channel selected, DeepSeek AI commenced a comprehensive analysis. The AI scrutinized various aspects, including video length, storytelling techniques, animation styles, upload schedules, keyword usage, and audience demographics. This analysis revealed that the channel's success was not solely due to its content but also its strategic engagement with viewers. Chapter 5: Crafting the Content. Armed with insights from DeepSeek AI, the next phase involved content creation. We assembled a team of writers, animators, and voice actors to produce videos that mirrored the target channel's style. The scripts incorporated moral lessons and engaging plots, resonating with both children and parents. Animations were designed to be visually appealing yet cost-effective, utilizing software that balanced quality with efficiency. Voiceovers were performed to match the tone and pacing observed in the original channel, ensuring familiarity for the intended audience. Chapter 6: Implementing AI Tools for Optimization. Beyond content creation, AI tools played a pivotal role in optimizing our channel's performance. We utilized AI-driven platforms for keyword research, thumbnail design, and even A/B testing of video titles and descriptions. For instance, tools like Vidic provided insights into trending topics and optimal tags, enhancing our content's discoverability. Additionally, AI-assisted editing software streamlined the post-production process, allowing for quicker turnaround times without compromising quality. Chapter 7: Launching the Channel. With a library of content ready, we launched the CLONED channel. Initial promotion strategies included collaborations with influencers in the same niche, targeted advertising campaigns, and leveraging social media platforms to build awareness. We closely monitored analytics to assess viewer retention, engagement rates, and demographic information, allowing us to fine-tune our approach in real time. Chapter 8: The Growth Trajectory. In the first few months, the channel experienced steady growth. Subscriber counts increased, and individual videos began to accumulate significant views. Engagement metrics indicated that viewers were not only watching but also interacting through likes, comments, and shares. The incorporation of AI tools allowed us to adapt quickly to audience preferences, adjusting content based on feedback and viewing patterns. Chapter 9: Challenges Encountered. Despite the positive trajectory, several challenges emerged. The saturation of similar content in the niche meant that standing out required continuous innovation. Additionally, maintaining a consistent upload schedule strained resources, necessitating further automation without losing the human touch that audiences valued. Monetization strategies also needed diversification beyond ad revenue, leading us to explore merchandise, sponsorships, and exclusive content offerings. Chapter 10: Ethical Considerations. The endeavor of cloning a successful channel raises ethical questions. While imitation is a common practice in content creation, the fine line between inspiration and replication must be navigated carefully. Respecting intellectual property rights, adding unique value, and fostering originality are crucial to maintain credibility and avoid potential legal ramifications. Chapter 11: The Role of Community Engagement. One of the pivotal factors in the original channel's success was its strong community engagement. Emulating this, we prioritized building a community around our content. Live interactions, prompt responses to comments, and incorporating viewer suggestions into future videos fostered a sense of belonging among subscribers. This engagement not only boosted viewer loyalty but also provided invaluable insights into audience preferences. The journey of cloning a 307,000 per month YouTube channel using DeepSeek AI has been nothing short of eye-opening. What started as a bold experiment quickly transformed into a masterclass in digital strategy, artificial intelligence, and the ever-evolving world of online content creation. As we reflect on the lessons learned, one thing becomes abundantly clear: success on YouTube or any digital platform is not just about luck. It's about understanding the formula that works, adapting to changing trends, and constantly refining the process. DeepSeek AI gave us an incredible advantage by dissecting the intricate patterns of a top-earning channel. It revealed insights that would have taken years of trial and error to uncover manually. But the real magic didn't just come from AI, it came from the fusion of data-driven strategies with human creativity, storytelling, and persistence. At the start of this journey, we asked, can a YouTube channel be cloned? Can AI truly replicate the success of a high-earning content creator? The answer is both yes and no. Yes, in the sense that AI can analyze and replicate patterns, helping to create a structure that is optimized for growth. But no, in the sense that true success still requires originality, innovation, and a deep connection with the audience. A direct copy, without a unique spin, will always fall short. This experience also raised an important question about the future of AI-driven content. As tools like DeepSeek AI become more advanced, what does this mean for originality in the digital space? Will we see a flood of AI-generated content that all looks and feels the same? Or will creators use AI as a tool to push their creativity even further? The reality is that AI is not a replacement for human ingenuity, it's a catalyst. It can automate processes, optimize strategies, and give valuable insights. But at the end of the day, the heart of great content still lies in human expression. Then there's the ethical aspect. Is it fair to clone a successful channel? Where do we draw the line between inspiration and imitation? This project reinforced the idea that while AI can help replicate certain elements of a successful channel, true growth requires ethical content creation. It's not just about copying, it's about innovating, bringing something fresh to the table, and respecting the creative efforts of others. Now, let's talk results. Did we achieve the same level of success as the original channel? While we didn't hit $307,000 a month overnight, the results were undeniably impressive. The clone channel grew rapidly, reaching a substantial audience and generating strong revenue. But more importantly, it proved that with the right approach, anyone can break into YouTube and build a profitable brand even in a competitive space. The secret? Data-driven decisions, consistency, engaging storytelling, and a commitment to high-quality content. For anyone thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this project offers some key takeaways. Understand your niche. Research what works, analyze the top-performing channels, and identify patterns in successful content. Leverage AI, but don't depend on it entirely. AI can guide you, but your unique perspective and creativity will set you apart. Engagement matters. Algorithms favor content that sparks discussions, interactions, and shares, so prioritize building a community. Stay consistent. Whether it's one video a week or 3, having a regular upload schedule is crucial for growth. Monetization goes beyond ad revenue. Exploring sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products can maximize earnings. This was an experiment, but for many, it could be a blueprint. AI is revolutionizing content creation, and those who embrace it will have a significant edge. But at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. What you do with it is what truly matters. So, where do we go from here? This project was just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, new opportunities will emerge: more advanced automation, deeper audience insights, and even AI-generated content that feels indistinguishable from human-made videos. The possibilities are endless. But the core message remains the same: if you want to build something great, whether it's a YouTube channel, a business, or a creative project, study what works, use the best tools available, and bring your own unique vision to life. What do you think about AI's role in content creation? Is it the future, or do you see it as just another passing trend? Let's start the conversation. The future of content is being written right now, and you have the power to be a part of it. Top of form, bottom of form.